Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are taking our first hands-on look at the 3 new Galaxy watches here at Samsung's Unpacked event. If you ask me, they look cool, they look great, they look nice. You can use them for pretty much any occasion, whether you're going for a jog, just maybe wearing something casual, or going somewhere really nice. All 3 of them come with a Super AMOLED display. There is 2 sizes. One of them, the silver one, is 46 millimeters, and the other 2, the black and the rose gold, are 42 millimeters. Now there is 60,000 different watch faces. Yes, you heard me right. 60,000 different watch faces, which is, I think it's pretty cool. You can change it up anytime that you want. Anytime you're feeling something different, you can go ahead and change the way the front of your watch looks. All 3 of them are water resistant. So if you're going to the pool, maybe going to the water park, something like that, you don't have to take it off. You can wear it with you. Get in the water. Who cares? It's good to go. Now, they are LTE capable. You're able to get LTE connectivity with all 3 of them, so you don't need your phone. Say if you're going for a run, you can leave the phone at home. Just take the watch with you, so you will never miss a call, a text, or an email. And all 3 of them have a battery that will last not just one day, but days. Yes, it is a multi-day battery life. The 46 millimeter watch has a 472 milliamp battery, and the 42 millimeter watches have 270 milliamp batteries in them. They are compatible with any Android device that is 5.0 or later. So yes, this is our first look at the new Galaxy watches. I think they look great. Honestly, I'm not really a watch person. Actually, I never wear watches, but now I kind of want to get one. I'm thinking about getting one for myself. My wife loves the rose gold one. It's looking nice. Actually, all of them, they look great. You guys let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. What do you think? Would you get one for yourself? How do you think they look? Let me know down in the comment sections below, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos to come. You guys, this is Josh Quinones. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.